So this is the first official song or the first official project for the album titled Shut Up Alyssa, Wrigley Studios. I'm gonna try to have everybody on here. It's like a 70s anthem. I'm gonna just start talking and play now. I'm working on that shit. Album coming soon, man. Regular Sense of Urgency, your boy King Dave, in the Regular Sense headquarters. Cut that shit over.